I'm Phillipe Reilhac. I am head of unit at the Council of Europe. It's part of the IT directorate of the Council of Europe. The name of my unit is specialized consultancy. But some words to begin about the Council of Europe. I don't know if you know the Council of Europe, but it's an international human rights organization. This organization is born in 1949. Actually, we have 47 member states, and we have 38 of them are members of the European Union. Somewhat about our structure. We have one private office with the Secretary General and the Deputy Secretary General. We have the Committee of Ministers. We have an assembly, a parliamentary assembly, which is very important. We have another specific assembly with the Congress of Local and Regional Authorities. We have the European Court of Human Rights, which is very important. Micro marche pas? Okay. I can try to speak. Okay. Do you hear me at the end? Okay. Thank you. Okay. And about the structure, we have also the Commissioner of Human Rights, who is very important too, and some other instances, more or less important. We are 2,400 internal people working for the Council of Europe, and we are working with more than 4,000 external users. Some of them are experts, some are specialists in some other domains. So we are mainly based at Strasbourg, but we have a lot of several field offices and external offices everywhere in Europe. Just some word about my specific unit. So our main activities is to treat between 350 and 400 requests from our customer. Our customers are people who are working in operational departments, but they are also every user of our information system. So some of these requests are very simple, and we can give them a quick solution to deliver, for example, a website, standard website, or collaborative websites, and it's very quick. But some of them are very, very more complicated. That's why in this case, we organize a specific analysis. This analysis has two steps. The first one is to define the business need. The second one is to propose one or several scenario solutions to our requester. After that, these two parts, the analysis and this project, are funded directly by the department, the requester department. We don't have budget to do that. We ask this department to give us some money. And during a year, we made between 30 and 50 analyses, and we manage between 30 and 40 projects each year. In my team, we are between 25 and 35, sometimes more, depending on the number of projects we have to manage at the same time. In the perimeter of my unit, we manage also the collaborative platform for the Council of Europe with SharePoint 2013. That's why I'm here with my colleague Fabrice Thomas, who is far away. He's responsible of this platform. Actually, we have on this platform more than 300 collaborative workspaces and more than 6,000 users. Plus this kind of project, we are following two main projects. One is a document management project, and the other is a search project. We have actually some trouble, some issue with the user acceptance for the document management project, because both of these projects, document management and search projects, are based on SharePoint 2013. And our users are mainly used Exchange and especially public folder from Exchange. They are making drag and drop directly from their email and document to the public folder. We have a big amount of public folder. It's 4 tera until now. And when we come to them to say stop to use public folder, we need to go to SharePoint to use our document management system and to put some metadata manually. They don't want. So that's why middle of last year, we decided to find a solution to make the life of our user easier. So we try to find a solution around Outlook because they are all still using Outlook. That's why we have decided to make some tests, and we decided to buy some desktop Harmony license. So why Harmony? Harmony, because Magali is very efficient on this project. She was calling me twice during 6 months, twice a day now. It's not, and she invites me in a restaurant very often, but it's not the reason. This product seems to us the good one, the desktop version, and it's an important point because it's works very well, and you can retrieve directly some metadata from your email just by drag and drop. And it's very important for our user. It's the first part. The second part, it's with the desktop license, we have the mobile version of this product. And it's very, very interesting too for us. That's why maybe I will come back to Strasbourg Friday with this marvelous Apple Watch. Thank you, Magali. And I can order 200 more mobile license next week because it's very, very useful for us too. What I can say to you, actually, we have implemented 150 license of Harmony, and we decide to increase the implementation to give this tool to all our SharePoint users. It's very important. Parallel to that, we decide to make Outlook the main tool for all our users, to integrate also the search module with SharePoint 2013 directly in the Outlook client. So by this way, we decide to do also some other things to authorize the user to create folder and subfolder in SharePoint. And by this way, to retrieve the name of this folder in their search, because the name of this folder can be the new metadata without putting manually metadata, only to drag and drop directly with Harmony, essentially. So by this way, we are trying to we hope we can have some user very, very happy, because it's not the case actually. It's really a big problem for us. So what can I say to you? It's the main things I can say, and I hope an important point too is the product is very good, but it's not only the product. The way we are working and collaborate with Harmony teams is very important for us. This product is an evolution, and it's important for us to see some new functionality who are based on some of our comments. It's very important too. So, thank you.
Okay, thank you.